Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is the Sparkle Wreath knot. You'll need a tie and anything big, rounded, metallic, and shiny. You can use a quarter. I picked this. I don't really know what it is. I don't remember what it is, but it was in my, I think someone gave it to me, it has a coin on it. I honestly can't remember, but it's round and shiny. It's perfect for this knot. You can use a quarter as well. So again, this is my left side, it's at the belt line. I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna put in a dimple. Bring it over to the center, we're gonna come up and over like this. I'm using a knit tie, but that doesn't really matter. I'm gonna come around like this, come down like so. Come around the bottom like this. And I wanna put this in here. Like this. I want it to be in there pretty tight. I don't want it to be slipping and sliding around. Now we're gonna reinforce this here, so don't. Wreath there, and a wreath here. Tighten that up. You can have that right there. Let me put my collar down. Cinch that up. There you have the Sparkle Wreath. Oh, no, it's diamond friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made, and we'll catch you in the next video.